I just fell in love with the keyboard. So I have my man Cliff to tell me about this keyboard.
So this keyboard right here is our GK71 Sonic Red switches, and it uses our proprietary MSI linear red switches. What it does is it's the lightest actuation that you can have right now. It's only 35 grams. So when you're typing, it feels super easy to type on, and the reset is super quick. And we have our beautiful MSI clear caps, which the top part is solid point, and then the bottom part of the keycap is transparent, so it illuminates all the beautiful RGB. And the great thing about this keyboard is it also comes with multimedia controls, where you see on the right side, and it's full size. A lot of people are more used to 70% or 65% now. So this is one of the cool things that we have. We're still going with the full size keyboards. And it is honestly such a joy to look at because it just looks beautiful, especially in this brand new white color that we are coming out with.
Let's do a red versus blue keyboard sound test in this loud room. Which one is your style? I'm Team Red.